Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to tell to you about the features that exist on a Google Sheets or mobile spreadsheets. So here on a mobile spreadsheet there will be a filter tools or filter features. So the filter will be like in these three small dots, and you can see here you will see a create a filter. So filter here help you to filter all of the data. If you are working with a lot of data like mine here, I work with a lot of data, but then you can see the title will start with the different alphabet. There will be an H, G, S, or many more. So filter will help you to organize your data depending on the alphabet they begin with. So here I would like to give to you for an example. So you just need to go click here, and then after that go click these three small dots and click create a filter, and here the filter is already created, and now you just need to like explore the filter here by click this part. And after that you can decide how will you filter all of the data right here. You can do A to Z or Z to A. You can also organize it by the color if it's appear by the color. And after that you can just go, for example, you want to organize the file from A to Z, so you just need to go click this part, and you can see the title will be directly organized from the nearest alphabet from A to the C, and there will be work for every data here. So that's the way how to use filter and the use of filter in a mobile spreadsheet. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.